BLE is Bluetooth Low Energy Technology. This technology uses two systems in your mobile phone. Your Bluetooth system and your GPS location. It is a network system designed to use a combination of two local setup radiation. So it is a must for you to turn on your Bluetooth and your GPS at the same time. BLE can be used for entertainment purposes, medical purpose, education, or any other things. For example, you can use it in music systems like Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth headphones. For example, in JBL, for you to upgrade the firmware of your JBL system, you need to use BLE to connect the JBL. Even to use active noise cancellation in the JBL, you need to use BLE. That's all about BLE.